sunrise again. For those who conquer inside, the good intentions and the paths of peace, reclaiming their land as
Breaker, 19, anybody got a copy?
What's up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Where are we at? There we are. Okay, so we got some stuff we want to do for Rolling Heavy that's coming up, and we need to generate some revenue to do that. Best way we can come up with to do that is basically by selling off the sand bucket. That's right. 1977 Chevy G10, low mileage, got it from the original owners. Totally bitchin' window van. It's got everything, AC, you name it. I put this thing back to how it was when I first got it with the original keystones on it. Now, if you're not into the original keystones, check it out. We got you covered. We sourced a really nice set of period correct 15x8 deep offset keystone classics to go along with this. These are coming along with the sale of the van, along with all the original parts that we could save from when we put this thing back together. But that's all for another video. For now, just kind of want to let you guys know that this thing's going to be coming up soon. So if you're interested, be staying tuned to the videos we're going to be posting, because the next few videos we post are going to be about this van. Here we go, do a little walk around on it, check it out.
and the pops of peace, reclaiming their land as ours to keep. The good intentions and the pops of peace, reclaiming their land as ours to da 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 da